Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO A6x. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a simple reboot through the power menu and also a forced restart. Let me show you both methods. Let's begin with a reboot through the power menu. This method is of course the recommended one. To perform it, we need to click power key and volume up at the same time, just like that. Now you just need to drag this white ball into the restart function, and now if you release your finger, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and our device will be ready to use. When it comes to the second method, to the forced restart, again we need to hold the power key and volume up, but this time we need to keep holding until our screen turns off and until we see the OPPO logo. Performing the forced restart is recommended, for example, when our device is lagged, frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. That's the moment when we can perform it. So now, start holding power key and volume up. Keep holding until the screen turns off. Okay, and when the phone vibrates, you can release the buttons, and now simply wait until your phone is turned on. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.